Welcome back to Anonymous Repair. So today I was still playing with sound, so I bought myself a small mixer, and I think this will definitely bring up the sound quality because I don't have to speak so loud, and I can be a fair bit away or off from the mic, and this mic still picks me up very loudly. So I can also see the clipping, if it's going to clip or not. So this is just an audio test. So if you guys like this audio, I know it looks all janky. I had to do some mods to make this work with my phone. The eventual idea is to get a DSLR, obviously, and then I'll record the audio to the computer using a capture card, which will make everything easier. But for now, this will be my setup. I'm using a Boyo mic, this mixer that goes into my phone through this cable. Well, this cable into the mixer, and from this RCA's back into my phone. So I've got a ring light set up. I've got the audio. So let you guys tell me what you think about this audio. Is it better? Is it cleaner? Less echoey? More clear? That's maybe a better way to describe it. So let's have a look at this and let you guys know what you think. Thanks for watching. Cheers.